Hi there. Today, I want to talk to you about how AI is helping in digital marketing and how you can earn online. With the rapid advancement in technology, AI has become an essential tool for marketers and businesses to optimize their marketing strategies and achieve better results. Firstly, AI is used in content creation. It can generate high-quality, personalized content based on a customer's interests and behavior. This not only helps in engaging with the audience but also improves the relevance of the content. Additionally, AI can analyze data from social media channels and search engines to identify trends and insights, which helps marketers make informed decisions. Secondly, AI-driven email marketing has become increasingly popular. These emails are personalized based on the recipient's behavior and preferences. AI can also analyze customer data to create targeted campaigns, increasing open and click-through rates. For digital marketers, AI can also help in keyword research and content optimization. By using AI, marketers can quickly find the most relevant keywords and optimize their content for search engines, increasing visibility and organic search rankings. Earning online has never been easier with the rise of digital platforms. There are numerous ways you can earn money online, such as offering freelance services, blogging, selling products online, or participating in affiliate marketing. One of the best ways to earn online is through affiliate marketing. This involves promoting other people's products or services and earning a commission for every sale made through your unique referral link. To get started with affiliate marketing, you'll need to join an affiliate program and choose products or services that align with your niche. You'll then need to promote these products or services using your unique content and referral link. Remember to provide value to your audience and always deliver on your promises to build trust and credibility. In conclusion, AI has revolutionized the digital marketing landscape, making it easier and more efficient for marketers to achieve their goals. From content creation to email marketing and keyword research, AI can optimize your marketing efforts and help you earn online. So, if you're looking to expand your income streams, consider incorporating AI-powered tools into your marketing strategy. Good luck!